Hey there, learners. Welcome to AK Education System. Today, we're going to explore an essential topic in English grammar, personal pronouns and its types. Get ready to learn and have fun. Low-level definition. A personal pronoun is a word that replaces a person's name in a sentence. It's like a shortcut to refer to someone without repeating their name. Example: John becomes he. Types of personal pronouns. 1. First person I, me, my, mine. 2. Second person you, your, yours. 3. Third person he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its. Second definition. Personal pronouns are words that substitute for nouns in a sentence, indicating person, number, gender, and case. They help maintain clarity and concision in communication. Example: the student becomes she, singular, feminine, third person. Examples and sentences. First person: I am going to school. Here, I is a first-person singular pronoun. Second person: you are my friend. Here, you is a second-person singular and plural pronoun. Third person: he is studying for the exam. Here, he is a third-person singular masculine pronouns. First-person pronouns. First-person pronouns refer to the person speaking or writing. They include I, singular, me, singular, object, my, singular, possessive, mine, singular, possessive, we, plural, as plural, object, our, plural, possessive, ours, plural, possessive. Example sentences: I am going to school. My friend gave me a gift. This is our car. Second-person pronouns. Second-person pronouns refer to the person being addressed or spoken to. They include you, singular and plural, your, singular and plural, possessive, yours, singular and plural, possessive. Example sentences: you are my friend. Your car is very nice. This is your book, isn't it? Third-person pronouns. Third-person pronouns refer to the person or people being spoken about. They include he, singular, masculine, him, singular, masculine, object, his, singular, masculine, possessive, she, singular, feminine, her, singular, feminine, object, her, singular, feminine, possessive, it, singular, neuter, its, singular, neuter, possessive, they, plural, them, plural, object, their, plural, possessive, theirs, plural, possessive. Example sentences: he is studying for the exam. She gave him a gift. Their car is very old. Thanks for watching, learners. Keep exploring and learning with AK Education System.